I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Search and select actions. Pabbly. Give here the webhook link. So visit Pabbly dashboard. Create workflow. Give a name. Create. Search a trigger webhook. Copy the webhook URL. And paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose Application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Pabbly site. And choose Actions. Airtable. Choose Action Event. Create record. Connect. Add new connection. Give here token. So click on Developer Hub. Create token. Give here a token name. Add scopes. Add a base. Create token. Copy the token. And paste it here. Save. Map the respective fields. Save. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now go to Airtable site and here you can see the data came successfully in Airtable via Pabbly. Thanks for watching.